I can make a crew cut, but I don't know if you like that. I think it would be better if you had more hair on top.
Yeah, 长头发比较好。
Yeah, with a crew cut, I don't know how your head would be like. You'll see your head shape. Okay. I'll just trim it. Good thing you're not too picky about this. Is funny. Am I going like this? You get it?
I can't move.
Ew. Are you recording this? You should have recorded me when I did the razor part.
Your skills.
It's funny how it like